Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 3rd of our video series in which we are exploring the wide range of clothing and accessories in Korean language. If you have not watched the first 2 parts yet, then you can go and watch it on Korean Express YouTube channel. Now let's start with the 3rd part. Here comes the Korean word for uniform, and that is 제복. 제복. Okay, next let's see how we are going to say shoes in Korean, and they are called 신발. 신발. Next comes the Korean word for tie or necktie, and that is necktie. Necktie. It is a Korean loan word, right? So it is very easy to remember. Next comes the word for necklace in Korean, and that is 목걸이. 목걸이. Okay, now let's move ahead and see how you're going to say school uniform in Korean, and that is 교복. 교복. Next comes the Korean word for ring, and that is 반지. 반지. Now let's see the word for sneakers in Korean, and that is 운동화. 운동화. Okay, here comes the next word, and that is overcoat. So in Korean it is called 외투. 외투. Next comes the word for earrings, and that is 귀걸이. 귀걸이. And the last one is the Korean word for bathrobe, and that is 목욕 가운. 목욕 가운. It is also referred as gown, just gown, okay? But the literal word is 목욕 가운. Okay, so today we learned 10 Korean words for different types of clothes and accessories. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.